Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the file and making a backup. This protects your work while you test fixes. Once done, quickly scan for error signs like hash value or numbers stored as text. You should use isNumber and isText in helper columns to mark bad cells and run evaluate formula on a problematic cell to watch each step. Make sure to note which ranges, formulas, or imports produce the incorrect numeric output before proceeding to bulk fixes. Next, you correct the underlying data and formula logic. Use text to columns or paste special multiply by 1 or wrap problematic entries with value to force numeric conversion. Once converted, apply trim and clean to remove invisible characters that break arithmetic. Make sure your formulas reference the right ranges and that circular references aren't returning unexpected results. Enable iterative calculation only when necessary. Also verify Excel's precision and regional settings to avoid comma versus period mismatches in decimals. To finish, force a full recalculation and inspect dependent cells so you confirm results propagate correctly. You should test changes on a small sample, then apply them across the workbook using paste special to avoid accidental formatting loss. If numbers still misbehave, reevaluate formulas step by step and consider re-importing the source with the correct encoding or delimiter settings. Quick troubleshooting tip: if only some cells fail, convert them to general. Re-enter one value manually and compare differences with this formula and cell to find the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.